What are we doing?
We're driving the truck on the ferry across the river at the Daintree River.
Oh my
We're on the
god,
ferry.
we're on the ferry.
Yeah, I was thinking of coming down the Bloomfield track with the van on the back, but you know, I've not done it before, I've not seen it, so I chickened out and we went around and doing the ferry.
That's cool. I think it's cool, yeah.
Yeah, so we're on the river.
How much it cost us?
What was it, $66 return for the car and the van.
The car and the van, return
that's
ticket. Okay. So don't lose the ticket, okay?
Don't lose the ticket, so we've got to pay fresh. That's right.
What fun, isn't it? On the ferry?
That was fun on the ferry. Very interesting.
Very short ferry.
Not a big ride.